Hello and welcome back to Long Switch Academy. This is your host Subham Prajapati. I hope you are liking our quick tips video series on Salesforce CRM. If you have any questions or any suggestions or any thoughts to help us improvise on this series, do let us know in the comment section below. In today's quick tip video, we are going to explore Salesforce Global Search to streamline the searching and help the user find data in seconds. So let's begin. Before we move forward, if you haven't subscribed to Long Switch Academy yet, do subscribe to it now. Ring that notification bell so that you never miss an update from us. Let's begin. First of all, you wonder where is this global search bar is located. You can find it here on the top corner, on the top middle portion of the Salesforce org. This is your global search bar. You can start typing your search keywords and based on that Salesforce will return data matching across different objects including accounts, contacts, custom objects or anything or anywhere where it finds your matching data. Let's say for now I want to find my name. I just started typing. I typed Subs instead of Subham, but there is no matching name, so it says there are no results. If I type Shubh, then it gives me some suggestions like Shubham Prajapati opportunities, Shubham Prajapati tasks, Shubham Prajapati accounts. So it also kind of process your search keywords and give auto suggestions, and then it also mentions that we have some records on the contact or on the account matching with that name, and if you hover over on that results, you will get to see more details, and when you click on it they will take you to the record detail page. But before we go into that direction, I also wanted to showcase you something. Right now I have selected all option here, therefore it is looking for Shubham in all the possible areas, but here you can restrict whether you want to just check in accounts, campaigns, cases or anything in the searchable items. You can limit that, okay, I want to check for this particular name, let's say in events only or in employees only or maybe in dashboards or maybe in for example cases. So you can also limit the items in which you want to search, but for now let's keep it to all. And I'm not let's say I'm not satisfied with these two results. I'm not looking for Shubham Prajapati contact or account, I'm looking for something else. Then we can click on this show more results for Shubh. If I click on this, you will be taken to this page. This is very detailed page which will showcase you all the instances of your search term across all the objects that you have selected. For now I just selected all, therefore it is looking for this term in all the objects, but it just found match at two places, which is accounts and contacts. You can find the response here, and if you want to see more you can click on this show more, so that more objects will be returned back to you. Here it will show the count where it looked for where it tried looking for the search keyword Shubh and whether it found a match or not. So this is what it is. It shows the count here and it says that it found one match in contact and one page in account. So it also says top results, and so this is how you can you can use the global search to track down your data across all the objects in your org. Let's go back here, and if the one thing that I highlighted, if you hover on the search result you will see the detail, but if you click on it you will be taken to its record detail page, so that you can get more detail about that particular record. And this is what it is, and here I have already suggested some options here. So I think this is pretty much it about Salesforce Global Search. I hope you get some value out of it. if you have any questions, any suggestions, or any thoughts with regards to this, do let us know in the comment section below. And I hope you will start utilizing global search more to find your data very easily, and you will train your users for the same. Thank you and welcome. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing with Long Switch Academy. And until next time, good luck.